Good afternoon, my beautiful girlies. It's Grace, and let's hop right in to this makeup get ready with me. Oh my goodness, y'all. How are you guys? I hope that y'all are doing great. I know it's been 2 weeks since the last time I've talked to y'all. Y'all probably didn't notice, but but yeah, I'm so happy to be back and talking to y'all again. I'm just glad to be getting back into the whole, just random topics and discussion thing. Life happens, but now I'm back. All right, you guys, so to get straight into today's topic, I'm a con man who can infiltrate any profession. Which job or jobs would I pretend to be an expert at? So this is such a very intelligent question. This is such a great question because, to be fair, some jobs that may look really complicated may be very easy to infiltrate, and we just literally don't know it. And I feel like this topic is really interesting because there are probably a lot of jobs that you can infiltrate very easily in, and why not test your acting skills? So yeah, I have 3 jobs. There's probably more out there, but I have 3 jobs in my personal opinion that can be very easy to infiltrate. All right, y'all, so to get straight into it, I believe the first job that would be the easiest to infiltrate would have to be a motivational speaker. I believe that anyone can infiltrate this job because, not anyone, because everyone doesn't have the same personalities, but I genuinely believe that it really just depends on your personality. Like if you have like a very extroverted, upbeat, like very inspirational personality, I feel like literally being a motivational speaker can be such an easy job because you're literally just speaking motivation into people, inspiring people, and just wanting the best out of individuals, which I feel like is just so great. But yeah, honestly, I could just walk into like a convention center, maybe like a motivational speaker convention one day, and just like act like I'm like the speaker or whatever, or maybe not like I guess high caliber like that, because probably for those big events you're gonna have to like show ID or show like this, that, and the third, so that would be difficult. But I would just say like maybe if it's like a local thing that you can do, like a local motivational speaker thing, you could just like come in and act like, hey, like I'm the speaker for this, and they'll say awesome, like it'll be so great. And also, y'all, sorry for the noise in the background, let's ignore that. But yeah, y'all, I think that being a motivational speaker can be the easiest job to infiltrate. The second job that would be easy to infiltrate would have to be a personal trainer. So I know now that mostly everyone is getting back into their health, which is such an amazing thing. Love that people are caring about their health. But I honestly didn't think that being a personal trainer would be so easy to infiltrate, because like technically anyone can be a personal trainer if they wanted to. But I know that like being a personal trainer is much more than like working out. Like there's actually a whole, I wouldn't say, you could actually argue that there's a whole science behind it, behind being a personal trainer, because not only do you have to know, like be an expert in the body, but you also have to be an expert in, nutrition. And with sports physicians and specialists, they have to be an expert in all of those things. So maybe that wouldn't be the easiest to infiltrate, because you still have to learn new things. But if it's like the basic, like you gotta like work out this muscle, work out that muscle, or like maybe try, or like if you want to like specifically target different areas on your body, for example, like if you want to grow abs, then you could just be a specialist in that, and it'll be very easy to do. But yeah, I have no idea why people didn't think of this. Like, I honestly do think that being a personal trainer can be quite easy to infiltrate, in my personal opinion, because there's not a lot of hardcore science behind it. Like, there is, but there isn't at the same time, if y'all understand what I'm saying. But yeah, you guys, I think that being a personal trainer would be the second job that can be easily infiltrated. Okay, so the last job that I would say can be easily infiltrated would have to be a food reviewer. This is my favorite one, because this is actually one of my dream jobs. Like, if money really wasn't a thing, and I believe I did a video like this couple of videos back about, like, if money was a thing, what would be my dream job? And it would be a food reviewer. Like, not only that, but like a travel, like a food, yeah, a travel blogger, like a food travel blogger, if that makes sense. Because, I mean, there's so much to like about it, because literally you are traveling and eating food, trying different foods from different cultures all around the world. And to the people whose actual job is that, how does it feel like to be God's favorite? Because I wish I can do that. Hopefully, when I reach retirement age, that can be my job, because that seems like such a great job to have. But yeah, literally traveling around the world, seeing new cultures, trying new food from different cultures, just expanding your palate just sounds like such an amazing thing. And I would just love to do that in my near future. I think that would just be such an amazing job to have. So yeah. And also, you can literally just walk into a restaurant in like a fancy attire and with a clipboard and just act like you are this food reviewer or blogger, and you were assigned to go to this restaurant to give a good review about it or whatever. And it's just that easy. So yeah, literally, I'm actually gonna try that one day. Then my dumb butt shouldn't have set it up in this video, but you know, it is what it is. A girl can dream. But yeah, y'all, I would say that being a food reviewer would be the last job that can be easily infiltrated. So y'all, we really didn't do anything. All we literally did was lash serum, chapstick, so my no makeup look, really. But you know, I really just wanted to come back and talk to y'all, just chat with y'all, because it has been a minute. And yeah, just do a little bit of a 1-2-1-2, and yeah, that's just all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. I hope that you will have an amazing Monday, an amazing week, and I will see all of y'all's beautiful faces next time. Bye, guys.